Understanding Attic Workshop, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of the phrase, attic workshop. This phrase is not just about a physical space, but it's loaded with connotations and cultural references. Let's dive in to understand its meaning and usage. Attic refers to a space found right below the roof of a house. It's often used for storage and sometimes converted into a living space. Workshop, on the other hand, is a room or building where work, especially of an artistic or creative nature, is done. So, when we combine these terms, attic workshop implies a creative, personal space, often private and away from the main areas of a house. In literature and movies, an attic workshop often symbolizes a place of solitude and creativity. It's where artists, writers, or inventors retreat to focus on their work. This phrase can evoke a sense of romanticism about the creative process, suggesting a quiet, secluded area where one can work without interruption. You might hear someone say, "I'm turning my attic into a workshop." This can mean they are literally converting their attic into a working space. Or, when used metaphorically, it could mean someone is creating a personal space for creativity and deep thought, regardless of its actual location. The phrase, attic workshop, is a beautiful example of how English combines words to create meaningful, evocative expressions. It's about more than just a physical space. It's about the idea of a personal haven for creativity and solitude. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your conversations. Happy learning!